Hello everyone, this video is just going to be a quick little update video letting you guys know that we're on the platform StoryFire. We'll be posting a lot of our tech review series videos on StoryFire, but I won't be uploading every single episode, but I'll be uploading select videos onto the platform for you guys to actually view and check out on the platform StoryFire. And I'll also be uploading some exclusive content and also some early access videos for you guys to view if you're interested. I know some of you are probably wondering what exactly is StoryFire. Well, StoryFire is like YouTube, but it's actually an alternative platform. Creators can upload videos, write stories and stuff. In fact, a lot of big YouTubers are actually on StoryFire as we speak. You might know some of them who are on the platform. Some of them actually switched fully onto StoryFire. Some of them are, using YouTube and StoryFire still. But, a lot of people are moving over to StoryFire. So if you guys are actually new to the platform, I do recommend you guys, create an account, sign up, and subscribe to me and subscribe to all our, fellow creators on StoryFire. Support us out and check us out. Our StoryFire website URL will be down below in the description. You guys can also go onto the StoryFire website and type in CrewElite to find our channel. We'll be uploading videos really soon on the platform for you guys to check out. I'll have an intro, and then once, I don't know how many uploads I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna be uploading every single episode I post on YouTube. I'll be posting select few, so it depends on that week and also what videos I upload that week that may show up on StoryFire. So it just depends on my schedule and also what I plan for that week. So I hope that a few of you guys may go over to StoryFire and check us out and support us. The platform is actually really interesting. I actually really like the platform a lot. If you do create an account on StoryFire, make sure you subscribe to our channel CrewElite on StoryFire. You can drop some blaze to help support us and give us some motivation. Maybe we'll do some little fun stuff on StoryFire. So hopefully I'll see more, a lot of you guys on the platform. Hopefully a few of you guys at least move over or at least check it out. It's a platform that I do see a lot of potential in it. So hopefully I see a lot of you guys on the platform. I'll still be uploading YouTube videos, but now we have another platform that we'll be uploading our videos onto and also exclusive content. So we are going to wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little update. I just needed to let you guys know that we're on this platform. I'll see you guys all on the next video we create. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching and have a good rest of your day.